Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. ReverbNation is an online platform designed to assist musicians in advancing their careers. Established in 2006, the platform provides a range of tools and resources, including digital distribution, social media management, promotional tools, and opportunities to connect with industry professionals. One key feature is its comprehensive distribution service, allowing artists to distribute their music to major online stores like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. ReverbNation also offers promotional tools such as email marketing, fan engagement features, and advertising options to help artists broaden their reach and cultivate a larger audience. Furthermore, ReverbNation offers analytics and reporting tools to track the performance of music releases and marketing campaigns. These insights can prove invaluable for artists understanding audience demographics and refining their promotional strategies. The platform also fosters a community aspect, connecting artists with other musicians, venues, and industry professionals, creating opportunities for collaboration and career growth. In addition to these core functionalities, ReverbNation provides various membership options with varying levels of access to features and resources. These tiered memberships cater to different needs and budget considerations. The platform also hosts contests and opportunities, providing additional avenues for exposure and recognition. For independent musicians seeking a centralized platform to manage and advance their careers, ReverbNation offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to facilitate growth and connect with the music industry ecosystem. It aims to empower artists with the necessary resources to navigate the complexities of the music business and reach their full potential. It truly is a platform with a multifaceted approach to artist development.